We have some breaking news out of Ottawa, Ontario interest rate cut. Thank you for watching News Moves Markets. Forex TV, please like and subscribe, support the channel. The Bank of Canada just did something pretty major. They slashed interest rates. Yep, you heard that right. They cut them by 50 basis points to 3.75%. This means borrowing money just got a little bit cheaper. Think of it like a sale at your favorite store, but instead of clothes, it's money. The Bank of Canada is like the referee of the Canadian economy. They control the price of money, which affects everything from mortgages to car loans in Canada. When they lower interest rates, it's like giving the Canadian economy a little boost. It's like giving a tired runner a shot of espresso, except instead of caffeine, it's money. This move is a big deal because it affects all Canadians. Whether you're looking to buy a house, invest in a new business, or just manage your day-to-day finances, this rate cut is worth paying attention to. So buckle up, good people, because things are about to get interesting. For the full detailed story, don't forget to check out the link inside the description area of the video. Okay, so let's break down what this rate cut actually means for you. If you're thinking about buying a house, this could be great news. Why? Because lower interest rates usually mean lower mortgage rates. That means you could snag your dream home with a smaller monthly payment. Score. But wait, there's more. This rate cut could also mean cheaper car loans, personal loans, and even lower interest rates on your credit cards. So if you're thinking about making a big purchase, now might be a good time to do it. Just remember to spend responsibly, folks. We don't want to see you drowning in debt. Now, for all you savers out there, this might not be the best news. Lower interest rates mean your savings accounts might not grow as fast as before. But hey, look at the bright side. At least you're not the piggy bank in the picture. So, why did the Bank of Canada decide to cut interest rates in the first place? Well, it's a bit like trying to figure out what's in a bag of mixed candy. The Canadian economy has been showing some sweet signs lately, but there are also a few sour patches mixed in. On the plus side, Canadians are spending money like it's going out of style. That's good news for businesses. But we also want to make sure people are spending responsibly. We wouldn't want anyone ending up with a financial hangover. However, the job market is a bit of a different story. It's not exactly booming right now, which is a bit of a downer. The good news is that the Bank of Canada is hoping this rate cut will give the economy a much needed jolt of energy. Think of it like giving a tired old car a fresh coat of paint and a tune-up. Section 4. Inflation cools down prices. Take a chill pill. Remember when everything seemed to cost an arm and a leg? Yeah, those weren't fun times. Thankfully, inflation has been cooling down lately, which means prices aren't rising as fast as before. It's like finally getting a break from the heat wave. The Bank of Canada has been working hard to keep inflation under control. Think of them as the firefighters of the financial world, putting out fires of rising prices, and it looks like their efforts are paying off. This recent rate cut is a sign that the Bank of Canada is confident that inflation is under control. They're basically saying, we got this, Canada. Let's just hope they're right. Section 5. What's next? The Bank of Canada's crystal ball. So what does the future hold for the Canadian economy? Well, if we could predict the future, we'd be sipping cocktails on a beach somewhere instead of writing this essay. But seriously, the Bank of Canada is cautiously optimistic. They're hoping this rate cut will help the economy continue to grow, but they're also keeping a close eye on things. They're like the wise old owl of the financial world, always watching, always observing. They know that things can change quickly, so they're ready to adjust their strategy if needed. So there you have it, folks. The Bank of Canada has thrown us a bit of a curveball with this rate cut. It's good news for some, maybe not so much for others, but one thing's for sure. It's going to be an interesting ride. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go check the rates on a new pair of shoes. This economy boosting is thirsty work.